Okay, hello. In this video, I will show you to how to get very easy um, rose water from a single rose. So this was the organic rose I collected from the my flower pot, and I use this glass bottle to hang it inside and then leave it for 10 days near the sun. And at the end, I got this much rose water, you can see here. So let's start to see how I can collect this water. It's very easy method. Hello. So to get the rose flower oil, I'm using this my organic rose, which is from my flower pot. So right now I have only one flower, and you can see this is very beautiful and a very big flower. And this is the early morning time. So morning time is good for the petals have a lot of oil. So I will cut this from a little bit more stem here, and then I will put in the container. So I'm using this, you can see now there is no flower, but another flower is coming very soon from this bud. And this is my only organic plant, and here I have fresh flower for the oil extraction. So let's use this one. So now you can see I have taken this big rose from my flower pot today, and I am taking this jar, and it has very good kind of sealing cover, so I can cover it. And here I'm taking white thread. So what I will do, I will just tie this thread so that I can hang this rose upside down in the jar. So give a very good knot so that it don't come out. Maybe I can give one more. Now next part is little tricky because this is a really big flower, you can see. So what I have to do, I have to squeeze slowly the whole flower in this bottle. You can see I'm gently pressing so that I can leave whole flower inside. Now you can see the whole flower is inside, and I have to cut it. I'll just break this so that I can, and now they cover it. So I leave a little bit thread outside so that it can still remain inside, and make it tight, real tight. Okay, so here you can see this thread is coming out. I will cut this also now. So now I have a flower in the bottle, right? So I will leave this flower in near the window, here in the near window, and you can see after some time when it will start draining its oil, it should be collected at the bottom. So we'll show you after some time how it is working. So I will leave this in the sun. Here it will get some sunlight, and then as well as some heat also. So I will show you after some time, probably 3-4 days or a week, and then how it is working. Okay. Hello, so today is this bottle is third day, is sitting in the near the window, and I would like to show you how much you can see the water, rose water came out. If you see this much, it's really in good amount, and still there are condensation is going on. Here you can see all the water vapor inside, and here you can see the thread is still outside, so rose is still hanging upside down. And every day I'm keeping it's continue here near the window, and all the moisture and water which rose have, that is condensing in the bottle and collecting at the bottom. So at the end we will get this pure rose water with a rose flavor, and I'm sure this will contain some oil also. So we'll show you after some time. This is third day. So today is seventh day, and then I will show you. You can see how the flower color has changed, and then all the rose water is condensing in the bottle, and it's dripping at the bottom. So here I will show you how much it has been collected. You can see it's a lot of water is still here, which is nice. You can see this this much water is came, and probably I will keep maybe 3 days more, at least 10 days, and we will show you how much I will collect. I will get it from this and this is easy method to get the rose water from a good rose. Here you can see color has changed from red to yellow, and water is condensing a lot on the wall. Slowly it goes at the bottom, and we'll show you after 10th day or 12th day. Okay, so I would like to show you here. Today is the 11th day, and you can see a lot of water is collected in this bottle from the flower, and I'm going to open after 10th day. Still thread is here, so let's open and we'll see how it's really tight. Okay, so now it's open. I will collect this flower separate. And here you can see how much water I have collected from this flower. So this is pure rose water, which I can collect into separate small vial, small glass bottle. Let's try to condense everything. I don't know right now how much it is, how many ml I got it, but this is pure rose water. We can use it for any purpose. Okay, so this is easy method to collect the rose water from the flower. So you can see, I think this is around 5 to 6 ml water collected. Okay, so I will show you one more thing. When I smell this glass bottle, it has really pure rose water, beautiful smell is coming. And when I'm smelling this water bottle, this is also have slightly alcoholic smell, because this is have some rose water and some oil also. That is why it's really pure and very good oil. This is a very good water with rose oil. So it's a very easy method. You can see it will, however, it takes some time, but it's very easy to collect this rose water with oil.